Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for Thursday, November 2. 2024 is shaping up to be a year of massive production for Wisynco Group as it finalizes the largest capital expansion in its history. The company has injected $5 billion Jamaican dollars into major projects, ushering in 5 new production lines that will mark an astounding 75% potential increase in overall production capacity. The initial phase, which includes 3 new production lines, is set to enhance capacity by 50% by 2024 in February. Wisynco is simultaneously focusing on optimizing warehouse operations by increasing material handling equipment (MHE) capacity and broadening distribution. The company has invested over $8 million in a 200,000 square foot warehouse expansion at the Lake Spence facility, which includes new machinery and technology. To meet the rising demand for bottled water products and expand exports, Wisynco is dedicating over $7.5 million to nearly double production capacity by January 2024. Additional improvements such as a new carbonated beverage line, high-speed labeling systems, and other enhancements are expected to streamline operations, enhancing overall effectiveness and productivity. The expansion activities were outlined in its annual report for 2023. Pulse Investments has seen a decline in its profits this year but is remaining optimistic for next year. Pulse recorded a net profit of $1.57 billion for the fiscal year ending on June 30, 2023. It marks an 11.9% decline compared to the previous year's net profit of $1.79 billion. Total income and gains for the year also witnessed a downturn, experiencing a 12% decrease from $2.2 billion in 2022 to $1.93 billion in 2023. Despite the overall decrease in income, Pulse Investments managed to achieve gains in several of its business lines. Notably, there was a 16.9% increase in property rentals, which surged to $153.9 million, up from $131.7 million in 2022. This robust performance in property rentals indicates that the company's real estate investments are flourishing. The company anticipates significant gains driven by increased business activities across various fronts, including overnight guest stays at both its Trafalgar Road and Villa Ranai properties, as well as its model agency and involvement in the fashion and entertainment industries. And before we go, Gavin Lindsay, CEO of IP Korea, offers a valuable business tip to fellow entrepreneurs. Nothing beats a trial but a failure. Just show up. Even when you feel everything isn't going your way, you have to press forward as you will learn and grow from your failures. That's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.